Hi guys, and welcome to GPS Display Basics with Aglantis. Today we're on the GS4, GS5 display, and I'll be showing you how to change implements and how to create a new one. So from our Guidance tab, we're going to press on the Setup button down in the bottom left. From here, we're going to click on the Implement, or the Equipment tab, I should say, sorry, and it shows us our current implement. So I'm going to hit the minus button to take that one out, and then I'm going to press this Add Implement button. I'm going to go down and go New Profile because I want to create a new one. And I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call this one 2-row. Once you're happy with the name, press OK. And it will take us straight into the profile setup. So on this implement, I don't have a controller. We'll scroll down and we can enter some dimensions. So you can put a lateral offset. So if you had offset discs or something that hangs out one side more than the other, you can type that into your lateral offset. And you can also put in your center of rotation. So you can see here the D measurement is from the pin of the drawbar to the center of the wheel, or on a 3-point linkage machine, it's usually the center of the linkage or the connection point of the linkage to the middle of the implement. So for this one, I'm just going to put 2 meters. And we'll OK that. Give it an operation. So for this one, I'm just going to use it as a general tillage. So I'll scroll down and just give it a general tillage operation. Working width, so this is probably the most important number you'll put in here, but this is the distance between each swath or each run that you'll be doing in the paddock. So I'm doing 2 rows and I've got a 1.6 meter swath, so I'm going to be doing 3.2 meters. You can also set it up as rows if needed, and you can tell it that each row is 1.6 meters. But in this case, I'm just going to do it this way. Once you're happy, press OK. Scroll down again. We'll just fill out the last details. So we've got our work point. So you can see here that the work point is the distance from the drawbar pin to the actual contact point with the ground in the ripper here, or on a 3-point linkage, it's exactly the same. So from the center of the 3-point linkage contact point to the contact on the ground with the implement. So in this one, mine is actually in front, so I will be 1.5 meters. Work recording. So this is how we're going to trigger our coverage logging to come on and off. So there's a few options here. I'm just going to go when auto track is engaged. So when we engage the autopilot, it will automatically start logging. Connection type, this is where we can go from 3-point linkage to drawbar. I've got a 3-point linkage in this time, and it is a non-pivoting. So that's it. There are some options for receivers. In this case, I don't have one. So we're going to go save. And it will now prompt us to change our current working width. So this is 1 row, and now I'm on 2. So we want to make sure that this update track spacing is selected. So we OK that, and now we're on 2 row. So we OK that. And we OK this as well. So we can see now my track spacing has been updated to 3.2 meters. If I wanted to go back to my 1 row, or change back to a different implement, once again we press Setup in the bottom left, click on our equipment. I'm going to minus 2 row out of here. Once again, add implement, and then I can select from my created ones in here. So in this case, I'm going to go 1 row, okay. You will get prompted again to change this working width. So we're currently at 3.2, we will be going to 1.6. I'm happy with that, so we're going to update the track spacing. Okay again, and okay again. So now we've changed to our one row implement and we are back to our track spacing of 1.6. Thanks for watching.